Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to confess your love to your waifu, your body pillow, the cute Japanese girl that you want to flex on Discord, the Asian girl that's learning Japanese. I'm here to help. I'm here to teach you guys how to say I like you and I love you in Japanese. You're all weirdos. Okay, I'm gonna teach you two ways to say I like you. The first one is suki. Repeat after me. Suki. Suki. Naturally, it sounds like suki. And if you're going to say I like you, you say KIMI ga suki desu. Suki dayo. And you can emphasize how much you like them by putting dai in front of suki, and that makes the word DAISUKI. And dai literally translates into big, so that means big like. And you can say DAISUKI dayo. DAISUKI dayo. Okay, and the second one is AISHITERU. So in Japan, many people feel quite embarrassed to show such strong emotions of love, especially in this form. And not many people say AISHITERU, even between couples, but you can still use it. It is the ultimate form of confessing your love to someone, and you don't need any emphasis on that. So you just say AISHITERU. AISHITERU. Like I can say to you, my viewers, AISHITERU. I mean, that's a bit weird, but I can say DAISUKI. DAISUKI dayo. So naturally, AISHITERU would sound like AISHITERU. AISHITERU. So go ahead and use this. Use these words: suki, daisuki, AISHITERU, and confess your love to whomever you want to. And they're gonna fall right in love with you, and you're gonna win their hearts over. Like this. I will show you an example right here. DAISUKI dayo. DAISUKI dayo. DAISUKI dayo. So as you can see, that totally worked, and my pet loves me. So go ahead. I hope that helped. It definitely did. And on that note, thanks for watching. See you later.